Soul Soldier. We are going to be showing you a mod today from Euro Truck. I hope you all enjoy this. The link will be in the description underneath as well. Come and join the Discord as well to get involved. This is a new truck. So if you do like this truck, you got the engine sound, power. We'll go with that one. I'm not sure what kind of upgrades you can do. You do little ones, I believe. So yeah, you can put your stuff in and put little upgrades. You got upgrades there. Little dashboard. You got that. Got aerial. You got the little lights, you got the air horn. Obviously, you can do that if you want, but it'll change some stuff. Got some little lights. You got that, and then you've got the box. Obviously, you can change the box if you really want, you don't have to. So, we're going to give this a go. Test drive. We'll drive over to Calais. Show you this. Calais. Drive now. Buy now. There you go. Show you this vehicle. See what it's like, guys. Yeah. I hope all of you are doing well. Right. Here we go. Sounds nice as well. I'll take it around the block for you. Sounds alright. Take it out of the roundabout. Nice horn as well. Take it back to the spanner or garage. So thank you for everyone watching. Please leave a like, please hit that subscribe, please hit that notification bell and comment underneath what you thought of this. I hope you all enjoy and I'll see you all later. Take it easy, guys.